Y'all, so I'm just laying here and I'm realizing I think today we're gonna do a vlog, a weekend vlog, a come with me, like whatever. We're gonna do something today. It's currently 7 a.m. Y'all, I look crazy. Okay, don't eat me up. I didn't even tie my hair up right. We're gonna get into the lace later, cause y'all know I do my own hair. I had this lace on for about this lace in a week ago. This company sent it to me and I'm loving it still. I'm gonna fix it up today though, y'all.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you. I get on. Down Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that bye. Missing my da. Missing that all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug.
Okay, y'all, so now since the car is quiet, y'all, hold on, let me try to, so y'all can hear me properly. Hear me complain properly. Y'all, so I'm still alive, but I almost died trying to drink this ginger shot. Like, I started wasting everything on my clothes. I'm trying to see how I look right now. But y'all, I didn't put no makeup on or nothing. Today is a chill look. I think this is actually gonna be a weekly vlog because I'm not really doing nothing today. I didn't get a text back from that man. I really do want to get my nails, lashes, and stuff done this week. So it might be a maintenance vlog or a weekly thing. And I gotta go to the dentist. Like, so much stuff I gotta do this week. So why not, y'all? We getting food right now from my people house. I'm trying to get my mama to go to Daily Deals. Y'all, I really want to start a thrifting series. Like, I really feel like it's fun and cool and I can find some cool stuff. Like, I never been one of them girls, but hey. Y'all, I'm gonna just put some lip liner on because I ain't really do nothing today. No lashes, no nothing. This is me. This is she.
Oh my god, that one fell.
Y'all, mama is calling me up there. I'm not like, girl. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, come here with this time. Where's it come from?
I waste this stuff on my dress. I'll come speak though if that's what you want me to do.
Yeah, alright.
Alright. Have you wanna just say that? Can y'all watch them for me? Thank you.
Oh, yeah, my hair, yeah, it looks so
Oh
good.
my god!
Yeah.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you.
Okay, y'all, so we back on the road. We're going to Daily Deals. This is our first time going here. And y'all, so I hear they have everything, and I really just want us to see, like, you know, this place got everything. So y'all, we're gonna see whatever we can find. As y'all can see,
2.1 miles, turn right onto West Sample Road.
y'all, I'm just telling y'all, like, there's too much distractions going on. Okay, y'all, so we made it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in here, and then I'm gonna go into Staples after. Staples right here to get some labels for my hair growth oil. Let me turn this way and talk to y'all. I can't even see. Oh my god, y'all, people be looking at me, but I don't even care. We getting this YouTube stuff down. Yeah, they got phone cases in here. $25. But y'all, to be honest, I wanted to get like a desk because I want to make me a vanity spot. So I wanted to get a desk and then a mirror, you know, to be real cute. Then they got cute chairs in here, y'all. found this cute frame for my vision board, y'all. Stay tuned for that vision board because it is coming. One thing was so zoomed in. Okay. Y'all, it's only $10. Like, do y'all see this frame? It's super cute. Yeah, this is gonna be my vision board frame. $10, you can't beat that. And if y'all saw the wall in my room, it's like this color and white. Super cute. Yeah. And it says, all along you've been blooming. Like, yes, girl, yes. I have. When I was on TikTok, I typed in, like, you know, things to do in a day. Yeah. But I didn't know it was one down here because it kept saying Lake Worth. Yes, they are.
Where's that at?
Y'all, I love it. So, y'all, this is the stuff I have so far. Everybody here is super nice. Yes. Y'all, so we actually, like, y'all, how y'all feel about the store?
Good.
Y'all, it was really a good store. Like, not everything in there, I don't think it's used or whatever. It just open stuff.
I press the button there and do it.
Okay, y'all, so we at the barbershop. We finna get these knuckleheads hair cut. He's gonna get cut off. He's gonna get cut off. He's gonna get cut off. We're gonna cut the hair off.
Cut my hair off. I did the day off.
But y'all, so I'm just playing like this. So y'all, we at this barbershop, whatever. Y'all, it feels so weird recording. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when we done. I'm gonna see what the vibes is in there. I do be the only girl. Y'all only got brothers, so y'all know how that go. So we'll see how the vibe is. Go in and see if they jump out. So y'all, currently we're sitting in the car because the barbershop went to close. It is 6:11, but it's some stuff going on in this little city or whatever. Like, we in a deal. I don't know.
It's a parade or something.
Yeah, that's a parade going on in Sistrunk. If y'all know what Sistrunk is, that's not the place you want to be. Not being bougie, but yeah, that's not the place you want to be. But I have the Walgreens app, so I'm gonna go to Walgreens and print out some pictures. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and print out some pictures for my vision board because this video is a week long. We're doing a weekly vlog, so I might as well. Ooh, my camera is dying. Okay, y'all, so I got the pictures. They came out okay. We're going home now. Unfortunately, we can't get the ice cream because I'm talking about something. She wants to come home. She needs her car. As y'all know, my car is not working at this moment. If y'all see my last maintenance vlog, my car is giving throw it away. It's very much give it away, girl. So we're going home and we might continue this vlog tomorrow. It's always another day, that's why I love tomorrow. We can get ice cream tomorrow. But tomorrow in the morning, I will be going to church. I don't think I will vlog that. So after church, y'all see me and we'll see what the day brings. But it's a long week. So, see you in the next clip.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby.
Okay, y'all, so we got to Bolero and hold on, can we get a minute to look at me? Y'all, I brought us to the room Bolero. Like, I don't wait to bring us to the luxury one, so I look overdressed. But we leaving. We at Out the Wall Game Zone. We gonna see what they do. Okay, come with me. Okay, y'all, so I'm picking my shoes. And it's that embarrassing. Okay, y'all. I really don't know if y'all can see me or not. I'm not gonna really be talking to y'all in there. Ooh, turn you down. I'm not really gonna be talking to y'all in there because of the music and stuff, but oh my god, you just stared at me. We're gonna have fun. Yeah, this bathroom smells terrible. Terrible.
You don't care. Times I read into sense, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if he was holding me. Choose the rise, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I leave all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe in it.
Okay, y'all, so I do want to say thank you for watching. Y'all, if y'all like my nails, I will be selling these very, very soon. This is just a sample, y'all. They're super cute. They are pressed on acrylic nails. But y'all, I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I am so happy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, the light want to go out, my phone keep going off. Y'all, I didn't put it in this vlog, but we did end up going to the beach. And because we went to the beach, sand is in my phone. Like, you know how like when you can't put your button down no more, like it's literally sand in it. But y'all, I just did my lace, but I didn't glue it down. Like, I had used some spray, so it is looking a little crazy, but I did have to just take some pictures for this brand. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching it to this point. Like, if you watch it to this point, comment down the green heart, because that is my favorite color. So y'all, I just want to say thank y'all so much. Mwah. Don't forget to tune into my next video. Bye, y'all.